Hi guys, it's Janet Wakeland with remarkablycreated.com. In today's video, I want to take a moment to talk to you about the second best deal of Sale-a-bration, and that's a 12-month subscription to Paper Pumpkin. A 12-month Paper Pumpkin subscription will currently earn you up to 4 free Sale-a-bration items and 20 host dollars. The reason I say up to 4 free Sale-a-bration items is that you'll be eligible to choose 4 level 1s or 2 level 2s. A 12-month Paper Pumpkin subscription is $215. And of course, I like to suggest that you bump it up, and I'll talk to you about that in just a second. For those of you who are not familiar with Paper Pumpkin is Stampin' Up's monthly craft kit. It arrives in the mail with all of the supplies that you need to complete that month's projects. It will vary from cards to gift packaging to home decor items to all kinds of other fun little projects that we've had over the last couple of years that this program has been available to customers. Your very first month, you will receive a clear block to use. The kits include exclusive photopolymer stamps that are not available anywhere else. They're exclusive to that month's kit. They also include 1 to 2 ink spots. These ink spots are Stampin' Up's classic colors, so you're able to use refills from their catalog to refill these spots. I did mention that I like to bump the order up by $35. The reason I like to do that is because now you enjoy up to 5 free Sale-a-bration items and 45 host dollars, which more than pays for that $35 and gives you well over $100 value in free product for your subscription. I personally renew my subscriptions every single January because of this very reason, enjoying the benefits. Now, I did mention that this is the second best deal, okay? And actually, it's the third best deal. The reason why it's the second or the third best deal is because if you join Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator during Sale-a-bration, you could be saving 20% on this subscription. I personally save 20 to 25% and earn overrides, so this subscription nowhere near cost me $250. I get the rewards of $250, but I pay 25% less. When you join and you're a new demonstrator, you pay 20% less. So it can be an even better deal if you join Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator. That's why this is the second best deal for you. Some suggested add-ons for you would be the Stampin' Snips, the additional clear blocks, assorted adhesives, the paper piercing tool, the bone folders. Those are the 5 things that I like to recommend that you have on hand to enhance your Paper Pumpkin experience. In addition, for those of you that are subscribing to the 12-month Paper Pumpkin monthly craft program, I do have a free gift for you, and that's the paper piercing mat. All of the kits, as I mentioned, include photopolymer stamps, and I personally find that I get a better experience stamping with photopolymer when I use a paper piercing mat underneath the project that I'm stamping on. So I have that as a free gift for you when you subscribe during Sale-a-bration to that 12-month program. If you are currently a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, this subscription would simply begin at the end of your 6-month subscription. If you are currently going month to month, this would simply just begin at the end of your current month. If you subscribe by today, January 10th, you'll be on board to receive January's kits and a full year of Paper Pumpkin. If you miss today, January 10th, and subscribe between now and February 10th, you'll get February's Paper Pumpkins, excuse me. Another thing to note about Paper Pumpkin is maybe you know that you're going to be gone a good part of a month and you're not going to have time to enjoy this fun box of creativity. You can skip that month. If you know that you're going to be on vacation, if you know that you're going to be traveling, if you know some other challenges are going to, again, interfere with you enjoying that, you can skip a month. In addition, you also always have the opportunity to increase the number of subscriptions you receive in a month. Maybe you want to gift somebody with a Paper Pumpkin one month. Maybe you're going on a retreat with some friends and you want to have Paper Pumpkins on hand to share with them. Maybe you have grandkids coming to stay with you for a few weeks in the summer or over the holidays. There's lots of reasons why you might want to increase the number of paper pumpkins that you would receive in a month. And of course, you can always do that. And then one last perk of Paper Pumpkin is that Paper Pumpkin subscribers always have access to refill kits that are made available. And you will see a link to ordering those, okay? So lots of great additional perks for being a member of Paper Pumpkin. The way that you're going to subscribe, if you're watching this on YouTube, in the YouTube description below, there will be a link for you to click on. It will take you right to the subscription page. If you're watching this, excuse me, on my Facebook page, again, in the first comments will be a link to take you right there. If you're watching this on my blog, there will be a link to take you right there. So look for those links that will take you right there. If for whatever reason you're having any issues with the links or you're seeing this any other place besides the 3 places that I mentioned, you can write down and enter this link into your URL. So let's take a look for just a second at some of the past kits that have been available so that you can see what I'm talking about when I say everything is provided, the fact that it has ink spots, exclusive stamp sets, why I recommend, for example, the bone folder so you can reinforce that score, why I recommend the paper piercing tool so that you can lift up those little dots as suggested add-ons. And remember that your first kit includes a block that would be sized for the largest image in there, which is why I also then suggest additional smaller size blocks, because while smaller size blocks do fit on big blocks, you're going to have a better stamping experience when your stamps fit almost to the size of the block, if that makes sense. So here's one of our past kits, lots of the great supplies that were in it. Here you're going to see another past kit. A lot of the supplies that are part of the kit are exclusive to the kit, but they use Stampin' Up! Colors, which means that if you want to use these in a different fashion, you can go ahead and be assured that here in this case, our Peekaboo Peach and our Flirty Flamingo, you're going to have cardstock ribbons, inks that are going to enhance your ability to use these in a different way than they were intended to in the kit. So that's awesome that it matches Stampin' Up's exclusive colors, inks, and ribbons. Here's another fun kit that we recently had, little wooden embellishments, lined envelopes, did some window cards. Look at the great variety here. There is also an awesome Paper Pumpkin fan group, Facebook group that has over 10,000 members. And when you subscribe, I will get you plugged into that group. That group is home to amazing alternative ideas and inspiration in all things Paper Pumpkin. So that's another added perk that you will have available. And then here's just an example of some of the gift giving ideas, some of the packaging ideas that were available in the past. And then these beautiful envelopes that were available for the cards. Again, the kits always vary. They are craft kits, not card kits. So you're always going to get a little something different. And they're always going to be, a surprise every single month. But it is so much fun to go to your mailbox and to see that box of happiness waiting for you. So again, I look forward to helping you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. If you want to talk to me about the best deal of Sale-a-bration, joining my team and getting 2 free stamp sets valued at any price on top of the $125 in product for $99 and free shipping and all that good stuff, you can always contact me, janet@remarkablycreated.com. And that way you can save 20% on the second best deal. So again, subscribe by January 10th. You'll be good to go. Ask me any questions in the comment section, but let's help you have happy mail every single month, guys. Thanks.